Positioned along Highway 7 in Lawton's Southwest Rail Industrial Park, the Hill property offers 105 acres, suited for strategic industrial development in southwest Oklahoma. This flat, development-ready tract is currently zoned Temporary A1, presenting a clear opportunity for planned industrial expansion. With the Stillwater Central Railroad running directly along its northern boundary, the site offers true rail adjacency. The railway is a Class 3 line maintained to Class 2 standards, operating 5 days a week. Positioned alongside active manufacturing operations within Lawton's industrial corridor, the site is integrated into a well-established production environment. With direct frontage on Highway 7 and just 6 miles from Interstate 44 and Lawton Regional Airport, the site delivers efficient regional and national connectivity. Full utility infrastructure is available at the property, providing immediate access to water, sewer, natural gas, electric, and fiber. Water service is provided by the City of Lawton, delivering strong pressure and substantial volume for industrial operations. Dual-feed 13.8 kilovolt service through PSO ensures dependable power capacity, reinforced by nearby transmission infrastructure and substation access. Supported by the City of Lawton and the Lawton-Fort Sill Economic Development Corporation, the site represents scale, infrastructure readiness, and strategic connectivity in one of Oklahoma's growing industrial corridors. For site plans, incentive information, and development support, reach out to the Lawton-Fort Sill Economic Development Corporation.